Hi everyone, so today we'll be creating this nice personal journal. We have the project set up in different phases, the authenticated users and the unauthenticated users. In this case, you're just seeing the unauthenticated user screen. We have the login, we have the sign up. So we will be using the Django backend as our data storage, and a user cannot access the application unless they are logged in. So here they create their account, and then once they do that, they can be able to log in. So we will be creating each and every of these screens independently, like on every video. So I can start with testing. For example, let's see how it looks like when the user logs in. I log in, I should be greeted with this. I had created this title, this to do. So for example, I want to change my account details. I can change them, so that's a CRUD operation. I want to add a new entry, I can add it. That's another CRUD operation. And then you notice that we have also some idea of shared components, in the sense of, for example, this underlay. Like we have this underlay, and then this is a pop-up like this opened. So you notice we will be working in some of these components that are shared. Then here we have filters, so we filter based on the category, and then we can add more categories. So it will be a really amazing session. And then finally, if someone wants to delete, finally we can delete something that we are finished with. So I think that's it for now, and hopefully you will learn something from this, and you can go and try it out. And at the end of this, like, we'll be sharing the whole video, and yes, and the code base as well. Yeah.